Okay, so standing in front of the house, this is what it looks like, and this is the surrounding areas. It's kind of off in the cuts, and yeah, and this location is in South Carolina by Myrtle Beach. And then this is the driveway. It's pretty close to the other house that's over here. This is the driveway in our rental car. And I'm not gonna go through the front door, but we're gonna go ahead through this back door, and I'm gonna show you guys what's cracking with this house. First off, let's start with the outside. And if you go over here, see some boats in the water. I won't be walking down there because I'm hot and I'm filming. This is the house from the back, from where the lake / river, whatever it's called, is. And walking back up. And you come on in here. It's the first thing you see, which is the laundry room. You got the washer and the dryer, some cabinets, little sink, and then you also have the peek through the windows. And then over here, we have like, I guess like a little closet. And then what is really weird to me, it kind of makes me feel like some Exorcist type stuff, but they have like all these people heights. Like I'm trying to figure out when, where, why, how. Yeah. And then also they have like this old school dryer rack, I guess that's what you can call it. And then over here is where they are keeping the keys and the light switches. You can also hang up like jackets, and then this bench area. And then from the door to the left, we have a little bathroom, and I'm not getting in because I look crazy, y'all. And this is what it looks like. Got like the floral print or whatever. Then directly, like keeping straight, got a little art going on right here. Coming directly straight is the garage. Just a little step down, and this is what that looks like. Plenty of space. We also have bicycles, which I'm going to venture out on over the weekend. Now coming from that door, this is what you're going to see, which is like the living room / dining / kitchen area. And then right beside or behind the table is the kitchen area, and I'm loving this wine cooler, y'all. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna want one of these in my house. Like, that's nice. And this is the kitchen, pretty self-explanatory. Now going back towards the way we came in from and going straight, again, here's another entrance, and you can see outside. But this is the living room here. And I'm loving how they have this bar right here, like in the living room / dining room / kitchen area. So we're gonna just go over here and keep straight. This, I actually thought something was gonna be in here, but it's literally like custodian stuff. And then we got a little pantry closet here. This is the master suite. So when you walk in, this is what you see. And then to the left, we have the master bathroom, and the lighting in here, y'all. I'm definitely filming my skincare routine in here because yes. So yeah, that's that. Don't mind my outfit or anything. We just came back from traveling. But this is the bathroom. I'll give you an overview like when we first walk in, just to be a little bit more detailed. All right, so when you come into the left, again, there is a sink, the mirror. There's a full body mirror that also, if you open, oh, They got me, owner's closet. I'm not getting in that, honey. But if you open this one, a private toilet, y'all. This tub, you can still have your privacy in the bathroom, which is great. And then this is a tub, very, 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 very nice. And then this is the shower. And y'all, when I have my dream home, I want clear, like, shower doors and everything, because I think it's very convenient. And that way I can like peek through. And then there's another sink over here. So it's kind of like a his and hers type thing going on for the master suite. And I definitely will be using this over the weekend. Y'all, oh Jesus, yeah. Let me get out of here. This is the master room. Really nice, y'all. And then there's me again. Hey, y'all. And left, we have another bathroom, and this is what it looks like, guys. Very self-explanatory. This is more so like just like a basic bathroom. And then going back out to the left again. And again, this is another owner's closet, so I won't be able to get into that. But this, from the living room / kitchen and all that stuff, this is now what we're gonna see, like the overview. And y'all, as you guys can see, we're already starting to bring in a little bit of our stuff. Then you have the front view, like from the actual front door. And in this room, y'all, it's really spacious. It's more so like another, the pictures are creepy. I don't care what anybody says, but those two pictures are creepy, just as well as those heights. But yeah, this is, I guess, the official dining room area. And then this is really weird because this leads into the kitchen. But if you think about it, why do we need that if I can just go right there? Y'all see what I'm saying? Entrance there, entrance here. So when I just went through the entrance, I said, I don't understand. All right, so I'm gonna go upstairs. Look at my brother's leaving. But yeah, that's seeing down from the stairs. And then to the left, this is the view. To the back of me, you can see the living room and slightly the kitchen. And then again, that back view. Y'all, I'm out of breath. Then to the right from the steps, I have like this game room, which is really nice. And like the chairs and all that stuff. And here is a view of the front with the road and all that stuff. And again, they're already bringing their things in. And then this is another owner's closet. And then from there, it's like, all right, so you can see the living room balcony here. But if you keep, you know, from there, you just keep coming. There's a little table in here. And then there's a little couch. And then again, you can see over, you can see a little bit more in the kitchen now. You can see the bar. And then now let's go back out into this hallway. Turn this light off. So we're gonna walk through this hallway to the other side. To the left of the closet is actually my room. This is like where I'm gonna stay. As you can see, my brother's brought my bag up here for me. But here is some closet space. And they both light up. Okay, I lied. Oh, owner's closet. Okay, excuse me. But yeah, this is the room. Got me a fan, TV and all that stuff. And then if you look out here, here's that view from the front again, so I can see who comes through the front area. To the left is the bathroom, and this is what it looks like. Again, y'all, I'm looking really hit right now. And then here it is again. So there's a sink over here, and then there's a sink over here, and then there is a bathroom, not a personal one this time, but I'm still very appreciative. And out this, again, you can see the neighbors, and I like that you kind of can see into the shower from here. I love see-through showers, y'all. But I'm gonna put the light on. This is the shower. And then come on through here. This is where one of my brothers will be staying. And there's a TV in here. They also provided a PlayStation 3, which is, you know, nice, being that my brothers like to do that. Clearly they're still stuck in the 4th of July, y'all. He brought his stuff in. And then he has this closet here. And this one has some extra blankets and stuff, and there's also a vacuum. Really, really nice. And again, there's the neighbor view. And literally, y'all, this is like the tour concluded. Like, I went through every room in this house, every closet, and well, long story short, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, y'all, so that includes the MTV Cribs Vacation Edition to the tour, and I hope you guys all enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.